this guy, which is our objective, required to prove. Now we want to prove that the area of triangle ABC equals to half A times B multiplied by sine of C. Okay, so this is what we want to prove. Okay, now we did a number of proofs when we were doing Euclidean geometry, and in most of them we had to add a portion of a diagram, and we called this a construction. Okay, this is simply the stuff that we add onto our diagram to make our proof much easier, or to make our proof possible, so to speak. Okay, so the construction that we will use in this proof, we will draw a perpendicular line like that. We'll draw a perpendicular line, and then we'll call this line height h. Okay, so this is height h, and height h is perpendicular to BC, or to side A. And then we call this point whereby side H meets with BC, we call this point D. Okay, so the construction that we have performed is that we draw height h such that h is perpendicular to BC. Okay, such that h is perpendicular to BC. And then now the proof is a very simple one. Okay, basically what we do is we consider this triangle first. Okay, and then we say that sine of angle C, which will be obviously opposite of our hypotenuse, which will be h of B, and then we make h the subject of our formula, and then from there we shift our focus and we focus on triangle ABC as a whole, like the entire triangle. And then in that triangle we see that we have a base, which is BC. Okay, and we also have a perpendicular height, which is height h. Now we determine the area of triangle ABC using what we know already from grade 9 or grade 8, that the area of a triangle is a half base times height. And then we will manipulate the equation, and then we will come to this conclusion.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next